Yan ang lolo ko. Suportado ang pagsasaranggol at pag-vlog ko. Kwento nyo naman ang mga lolo nyo. Okay, tulong muna tayo. Mamaya na ang pagbibideo para madali. Oh ha, okay na siya. Sisilipin ko muna mga pinsan ko kung anong pinagkakabali nila ngayon. Tara. Whoops, huli, Baymax. Okay mga lods, mission pass na tayo. Yan, papawin na ako. Enjoy the view.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is so instinctive, it's passionate. Every word I move is so descriptive, like an adjective. I got a plan better than this. People look at it, being negative. You should be getting positive. I got facts over facts, so it tracks. This and that, speak slow, speak fast. I go roast, I get gas. Think I'm long, man, fast, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. The pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Okay mga lods, ito muna ang aking pinagkakabalahan, ang paggawa ng box type requested by my panganay. Gusto nyo lang maglaro ng isang bulang box type, kaya nandito na muna tayo at bukas i-post ko na ito aking gawa. At kailangan ko talaga ng maraming kawain kasi meron pa tayo mga stick na ilalagay. Yung pagkaiba naman. Sige, sa ulitin. Maraming salamat mga lods. Subscribe and hit like. Thanks. Game! I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no,